Hello, the Paul Rubens company emailed me a little while ago wanting to double check my postal address because they wanted to send me a gift. I didn't think much more about it, but today this box arrived and I thought I'd show you what's inside it. So I unwrapped the outer packaging and there is this beautiful fabric box. It's so pretty. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So this is 5th generation artist level solid watercolour pigments. Oh gosh. This is so nice. So this is a hot pressed 100% cotton watercolour paper sketchbook. And then, are these paintbrush boxes? I don't know, let's get them out. It's like Christmas. There was no note with these or any expectation of promotion. It's really out the blue. Take a look at these. Oh wow. Look at that for a paint pan. That's incredible. Let's see what it says on the back. It says the Ding series solid watercolour paints in ceramic dish. Looks like a dark blue. It's out of the way. Paul Rubens' packaging is so nice. Oh wow. So 3 lovely primaries. I wonder what colour this is. Oh gosh, it's a paint palette. Oh, how lovely. So pop them back in. It's a yellow ochre, cadmium yellow light, cadmium red light, quinacridone rose, dioxazine violet, French blue, Berlin blue, oriental green, olive green dark, Venetian red, brown umber and ivory black. I know that the Paul Rubens 5th generation are their top quality range and I have painted with them before and I think that they're lovely. Let's see what's in here. So we've got a Paul Rubens Esprit 818, a size 6 mop brush. I've not used any Paul Rubens brushes before, so this will be really fun to try out. So this is in the same series, but a size 4. And a size 0. And a size 2. And then the watercolour pad. gosh, this is so nice. So it's a top opening one, and although it's in sketchbook format with a cover, it's actually a gummed block. There's the opening there. What a gorgeous gift. I think I'm going to swatch everything out now. I'm just giving the paintbrushes a wash with some of the Masters brush cleaner to get off the kind of glue that keeps them stiff for packaging. I really, really like this cleaner. Well, any bristles coming out. Let's have a play. It's nice. These paintbrushes are ever so soft. Do some mixing. Oops. So it's possibly a lemon yellow and an ultramarine blue. I don't know my reds very well. And just take a look at the different size brushes. So this is a size 6. It's a lovely one. So soft. And then number 4. And then I use the number 2 here. And this is a size 0. They hold quite a lot of water. I'll just do a little swatch now of the paint palette. That's Lemon Yellow PY3. And then very similar is Cadmium Yellow Light PY35. That one's Cadmium Red Light. And then Quinacridone Rose PV19. That's Dioxazine Violet PV23. And then what's called French Blue, which is PB29, ultramarine, which is very similar to the blue that I swatched out here. So this is called Berlin Blue, PB27. And that's Oriental Green, which is PG7, Phthalo Green. And then the Olive Green Dark, which is PO62 and PG7 mix. That's Venetian Red PR101. This is brown number PB15:1, PBR7, PBK9. And then that's Ivory Black, PBK9. I was just wondering what to paint to try out the watercolours, and I was looking through my art books and I've picked out this one. It's called Rooms of Their Own by Alex Johnson. I mainly bought it for the illustrations in it, which are painted by James Oses. But it's a really lovely book. It's about where lots of the great writers write. I'll show you some of the pages. So each double page takes an author and writes a little bit about them. And then there's an illustration of the space where they write. I just think they're great watercolour sketches. So I thought I'd pick one of these out and just copy it. And the one that I fancy doing is the Room of Jane Austen. So I'll use another sheet of this Paul Rubens hot press watercolour paper. I'll give it a go using the Paul Rubens brushes, but I'll probably need to use a smaller one as well. I'll just start off by sketching in the very basics. I really enjoy copying the simple illustrative style of the painting, but it's most fun when I get to go in when the paint's dry with my fountain pen and add all the details. So here's my finished version, and here's the original. It was great fun to do, and the paints were nice to use. My only comment would be that mixing would have been a bit easier with a warmer yellow, and it didn't really need two cool yellows in the set. The brushes were a lovely surprise and a pleasure to use. The bristles really behaved themselves, and though they're very soft brushes, I felt like I had good control. I also liked working with this paper. So I was blown away by such a lovely gift from Paul Rubens. It was such a treat, and I've emailed them to thank them. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye!